Okay, here's 3 birds caught in our fireplace that were living in our chimney. I just want to make a note that this solution is Jamie's idea.
I would just like to make a note that the $19,000 we just spent on chimney repairs
Did not include this chimney.
Did not include putting a little mesh grate over this chimney. That probably would cost 30 cents. I would also like to note these are Angry Birds looking for
The
their
real
babies.
Angry Birds, not the kind on the iPhone. Hi, birdie. Look at these guys. Cheep, cheep. Whoop, there he goes. Okay. Wish us luck, everybody. Let's see. This should be good. Which thing are we using?
Use the towel.
We're not great with this solution. Jesus Christ.
Do you want to get Jonas for fun?
I don't know what they're going to do. Yikes!
I'll be standing over you.
Hold the blanket up so they don't fly past you.
I hope they don't peck my ankles.
I hope so too. Maybe you should have got a longer blanket. Let's see. 1, 2. Where's the third one? See, the third one's hiding now in the chimney.
He's not hiding.
He is. He knows what we're trying. This is not going to work. Okay. Let's make sure we got 3 birds in there. 1, 2, 3. Wish me luck. Oh, you know what the problem is, Jamie? The bottom of this doesn't have anything stopping them from flying out. This isn't going to work.
What do you mean?
The bottom where the brick is.
Well, they're going to be so stunned. You just want to do this quick like ninja.
Well, how about I just take the thing off the...
Dude, just try it my way.
It's going to make it worse because they're not going to be able to fly. Quick like a ninja. Bird ninja. Okay. Hey birds, go, go, go! Yeah! Did he just fly back in? God damn it.
I don't know. I have the blanket up.
Well, keep it, because the other 2 are still clutching the, Come on, you dumb birds, go. Kidding me? Like, this should be on video. These stupid birds are still sitting here. 1 turned around and flew back into the kitchen, and 2 are just sitting here. Fly away, birdie. No, not! God damn it, he flew in the house. Just like the other one. Out the other window. Come on, bird. These birds are bats. Don't poop! Jesus Christ, go, go. Out the sea. Go, go. Out the door, you dumb bird. Can you hit the lights there, Jamie?
Turn them off?
Yes. Turn them off. Come on, bird. That door's not open. Go.
That's what he's doing.
Well, he's trying to get in there, so keep the blanket up. Jesus Christ. The stupid thing is they were outside. Go.
Tell him.
Well, he's right above you. He's right above. He's right above. Well, I'm trying to get him towards the thing. Come on, bird. There, go! Yes! Okay. I'm gonna close the door this time. Alright, here's bird number 3. You need to go away, little bird. Go. Go! Stop chirping! Let go! Go away! Are you stuck? What's wrong with this thing? Fly away! Fly away! Come on. Go with your mama. Go with your mama. Come on, little bird. Great. We're gonna have a dead bird on our hands. Okay, Jamie, take the blanket down.
Did you get the third one?
No, the third one's still clutching the thing, but he's outside.
They're outside.
Yeah.
You're sure?
I'm sure.
How'd it go, Tommy?
Well, he's stuck on, he won't let go. Okay. That's our bird experience. Wish us luck with number 3. Bye.